Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shankar, a cancer surgeon, and today I want to talk about something very close to my heart cancer. This word often brings fear and uncertainty, but understanding cancer can save lives. So please stay with me for the next few minutes because the information I share could protect you or someone you love.
What is cancer? Cancer is when some cells in our body start growing uncontrollably. Normally, our cells grow, divide, and die in an orderly way, but cancer cells ignore these signals. They form lumps or tumors, which can damage tissues and spread to other parts of the body. Cancer can happen anywhere in the lungs, breast, colon, skin, or blood. The reality of cancer. To give you an idea, over 20 million people worldwide are diagnosed with cancer every year, and sadly, nearly 10 million people lose their lives to this disease. In India alone, cancer cases have been steadily increasing, affecting families across all regions and ages. But here's the important part. Even though these numbers sound alarming, many cancers are treatable and even curable, especially if caught early. Why awareness is crucial. Think of cancer like a fire. If you catch it early, you can extinguish it before it spreads and causes serious damage. But if it's detected late, it's much harder to control. Early detection means better treatment options, less invasive therapies, and a far higher chance of survival. Signs and symptoms to watch for. It's important to listen to your body. If you notice any of these signs persisting, consult a doctor right away. Unexplained weight loss, persistent lumps or swelling, changes in skin appearance like new moles or sores that don't heal, unusual bleeding or discharge, persistent cough or difficulty swallowing, sudden changes in bowel or bladder habits. Real life story. I want to share a story. One of my patients, a young woman in her 30s, ignored a small breast lump for months, fearing the worst. Thankfully, when she finally came to us, the cancer was still in early stages. After treatment, she returned to her normal life, healthy and hopeful. This is why awareness matters. It gives us a fighting chance. Prevention, what you can do. Many cancers can be prevented. Here's how. Say no to tobacco. It's the leading cause of lung and many other cancers. Maintain a healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Exercise regularly to keep your body strong. Limit alcohol consumption. Protect yourself from infections like HPV and hepatitis by vaccination. Get regular screenings according to your doctor's advice. The power of screening. Screenings are tests that find cancer before symptoms start. For example, mammograms for breast cancer, pap smears for cervical cancer, and colonoscopies for colorectal cancer save countless lives every year by catching the disease early. Breaking myths and ending stigma. Many people avoid cancer checks because of fear or stigma. Remember, cancer is not a curse or a death sentence. Early treatment can lead to full recovery. Supporting those diagnosed with cancer is vital. They need our empathy and encouragement. Final encouragement. So, I encourage you to take charge of your health. Share this message with your family and friends. Talk openly about cancer prevention, screening, and early detection. Together, we can change the story of cancer from one of fear to one of hope and survival. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay healthy, and don't hesitate to reach out me if you have any concerns about cancers. You can consult me through Practo or Pyramid for video consultation. Remember, knowledge is your most powerful tool in the fight against cancer.